Hey guys, welcome to Fusion Tips. Once again, in this video we're going to go over an emboss. Now what is an emboss? An emboss is basically, you can take a solid object that is either flat or in most cases, a curved surface, and project a 2D sketch or profile onto that solid object and have it follow along that path. You can either cut into a solid with that shape or you can extrude out, and we'll go into details right now and how to use it. So as you can see here, we have made a solid piece that is curved, and also we made a 2D sketch here that we have used a plane to offset from this solid body here. So what we'll do is we'll go to our Create tab, go down to our Emboss. Now the first thing it's going to ask us to do is our sketch profile, and this is our sketch profile right here. We're going to go ahead and highlight it. We'll go ahead and go to our faces, and you can choose the face we want to put it on. In this case it'll be this curved surface here. Now once we do that, you will see it will basically project this 2D sketch onto this curved surface of this solid object here, and it will create kind of a wraparound effect. So once you have it on here, what's neat about it is you can use these arrows here, or you can use the dialog box here. You can actually move it around anywhere on this face or this surface that you really want it to go, which is a pretty nice little feature. But what you can do is, if you want to, you can bring it out, or you can push it in and have it cut to that angle. Now as you can see, when we're doing this emboss, what it's basically doing is it's taking this flat 2D sketch that we have here, it is projecting it onto our curved surface, and it is actually almost wrapping around on this surface and going inward. So if you were to take this straight line, put it on here and bend it this way, as you can see, the more we go in, it is at an angle here. As you can see, it is going in at an angle, is wrapping around and pushing inward. Same thing happens if you were to bring it out. It will go outward. Now what's the difference between this and an extrude? So if you were to take this 2D sketch and you were to extrude it onto here and you would cut, as you see, it is going straight into this solid object. There's no angle, it's just going straight in. It's also the same thing if you were to just join it, and there is no angle, it doesn't go out from there. It isn't wrapping around, it's just going straight into it. Now that is the difference between an extruding a solid object and an emboss. You can also use them on flat surfaces as well. So if you were to take, in this example you can use text, and we're going to go show you this. We'll go to our emboss once again. We will highlight our sketch profile, go over our dialog box, hit faces. Our face will be this one, and as you will see, it will project this text onto this surface. And once again, you can move it around, up and down, wherever you really want it. And in this instance, it is extruding outward from this flat surface. Now once again, if you wanted to kind of etch it into the actual solid object, you can carry it the other way, and once again you can move it around wherever you want. You can also do text on a curved surface here. So same instance, we'll go ahead and emboss, go our faces, and it will wrap around in this instance. So pretty cool. And you can move it around, and a lot of things you can wrap something all the way around on a curved surface depending on how long you make it. So I believe that's all that we're going to go over with the emboss tool. It's really a great tool. I really haven't thought of all the uses that I could use it for. Now looking back at all the things that I've designed in the past, I really could have utilized this a lot more and saved a lot of time when I was using a bunch of other tools that weren't necessarily needed. As always guys, thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, I would encourage you to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.